Hi, I'm Dr. Andrew Clark. I'm a cosmetic physician from Perth, Western Australia. Today I've been asked by BTL to demonstrate for you or explain for you how to properly clean one of their machines, the BTL Emsella machine. Now, of course, in our clinics, it's always vital to pay attention to infection control. We have policies, we have procedures, and we have steps that we must take to protect our clients from getting infections whilst in our clinic, which is why I think it's very important that we go through in great detail the exact process of cleaning the Emsella machine. So in order to do that, I've got my colleague here, and he's going to help us demonstrate the proper process of cleaning the machine.
Oh, but I've already cleaned it.
But we were supposed to make a video. We were supposed to show these guys.
It's pretty simple.
You know, how to do it.
All you got to do is get your disinfectant and spray it on your cloth, and wipe down the chair. And you just got to make sure you spray it on the cloth because you don't want any droplets going in the vents here. And then when you're done, just wipe it down with a damp cloth so you don't get any residue. That's all there is to it. What do we even need this guy for?